Hi guys, it's Kiddy Entrepreneurs here. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make pizza dough. This is the first video of a two-parter. This is the beginner's version. I will be doing a more advanced version a bit later on. But for now we'll get on with this. So the ingredients you're going to need is normal plain flour, some warm water, teaspoon, normal sugar, some salt and some yeast. Okay? So, to begin with, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1, 2, 1 teaspoon, and I like to do a half. Okay, I'm just going to give that a little mix with my finger. Okay, and this is really easy, this one. That's what we do. Just put the water in there. Okay. Then we have one cup of flour. Okay. The reason why I sieve it is just because it's in a packet, it doesn't mean all the flour's not clumpy. You will see some bits, and I don't want that in the dough. So get rid of them bits. Okay. There you go. When I can get it out. Another cup, so 2 cups. And that was half a pint of water with the yeast. Okay, now once I've done that, I get a pinch of salt. And give that a quick sprinkle. Okay, now you can use your hands. I know some of you won't like it, I do normally, but you can just use a fork. I'll just show you, it's not even that messy. Use a bowl, use a fork, start bringing it in from the edges, start bringing it all together. You'll start seeing it coming together like this. This is how easy it is, guys. I mean, it's really this simple. Start bringing it together, you see it coming together now like this. Okay, so now what we do is add more flour. And we literally are just going to add flour now until it becomes the consistency that we're looking for, or thereabouts. So you just bring this round. Okay, you're just bringing it together. I'm just going to make it so it's not so sticky, it'll be a bit more manageable and workable. So again, more flour. You know, now the more advanced one, we'll be using different types of flour. It'll be a bread flour. It's a bit stronger, it's a bit better, and there's different ways of doing this, but this is a really easy way, and it's gorgeous. Okay, so I use my ceramic hob, and I'll tell you why, because it's cold. It's cold, and the dough loves the cold. It doesn't like to get too warm at all. Okay, so what we're going to do now is start it off really gently. Okay, I'm just going to get some more flour in. Okay. And then gently, because it's going to start forming air pockets and stuff eventually, but I don't want to push any excess air out or anything. I want to keep it in there, because this is going in a home oven. This isn't going in a pizza oven, this is going in a normal oven, which doesn't get as hot. So, while you're watching me knead this dough, please hit the like and subscribe button at the bottom. If the comments are enabled, please do leave one. However, I'm not sure what YouTube's doing with that right now. I don't know if because it's children's or what. But this dough's nearly ready. You can see it starts going almost like Play-Doh, just a slightly stickier version. Now, I'll be honest, the best way is to have it a little bit damp because you're having it in a home oven. And this is a tip. When you have it on your hands, put some flour on your hands and just rub your hands together and you'll get it all off. When you get them messy hands, and it all starts coming off. It just makes it a little bit easier to start managing. And that is just dough, it goes back in. Okay, it's just dough. And start working it again. I don't really edit my videos. I just go along, do what I'm gonna do. The kids absolutely love this dough and it doesn't take long at all. So, we are nearly there. Now I can feel that this dough is starting to stick a little bit to the side. You can see it, it's starting to stick. So I'll just bring over a little bit more flour, okay? Just give it a little roll and now I'm feeling, I can feel the texture of it. You can see it's already getting elasticy, okay? That's really good. So we're going to work it a little bit more. Getting flour all over me. Now it's getting sticky again. A little bit more on my hands, just to clean them off because this is about done. On top. Okay, so now what we want to do with this dough is we need to let this prove. Okay, so what we do is we hold it. Okay, be nice and flat on top. Give it a bit of a slap. That's it, roll it underneath. Okay, and just keep rolling underneath like this, and you get a beautiful dough ball. Okay, I get a clean pot. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can use flour, or you can use oil. I actually like to use oil. So I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil here, guys, but you can just use a bit of flour, dust it round. What I do with this is I lay it in, flip it over, and make sure it gets oil all over. Okay, I'll show you. Just make sure it's got oil all over it. You know, just helps it not dry out so much. And then what we need to do is put a damp towel over. And then we need to sit that to the side for a minimum of 2 hours, I would say. Give this 2 hours and then you could use it. Okay, and we'll get to that in a minute. So bear with me and I'll be back. Okay guys, so now that's done, take your dough, put it on the side, put some flour on it. And again, just gently start kneading it again, okay? That noise you can hear is my dog rustling in the bag after the pepperoni because she knows we're doing pizza. So here's one way of doing it. Okay, let it out like this. Pull away, get a stretch. Pull it back, grab, push down, get a stretch, back. Push down, get a stretch, back. Push down, get a stretch, back. Push down, and back, down, and back. And then once you've got it like this, just give it a bit more of a knead. Okay, we're not going crazy on it. Don't go too hard. You don't want to take all the air out. And again, same again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just keep doing this. Now, this dough is actually ready. So, this dough here, I put into a bowl. Now that's ready. You can literally just cut that however you want. Just cut it down, or you can just do it this way, just literally get it into a ball, into your hand like this. Just squeeze, squeeze, and look what you have. A lovely dough ball. Okay, so this is a pizza. This will be another one, which I'm putting out of the way. Okay, so this is how to make beautiful dough, very fast, at home, and I've done this from my wheelchair. So please give us a thumbs up, a big thumbs up, and a subscribe, and I hope you tune in to the next video, which is slightly more advanced, but this is still very, very, very nice, beautiful. Okay, so thank you very much guys, and I'll see you soon.